Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be sitting down playing with the Beauty Bay Technidaze palette again. Yes, if you haven't seen my first video, I have done a full review on the collection, so I'll remember to link that video up in the cards or at the end of this video as well. But yeah, I thought today we'd sit down and play with this again with a couple of the shades. Of course I haven't used the purples, the pinks, well, the purple and the pink, so I kind of wanted to sit down and use them today. I'm also going to be doing like a makeup recreation from, I think her name's LSG Makeup. Let me double check. Yeah, LSG Makeup over on Instagram. I've seen that she's done like a butterfly look and I really wanted to recreate it, so we're going to be using some shades from this palette. I'll probably be dipping into another palette, maybe this one, the Youtopia palette, but mainly sticking to this one. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna jump straight on into it. Okay, so I've just zoomed you guys in. I'm gonna take I've like basically drew and cut out these on a bit of paper, and I'm gonna stick it like there. That way I've got a bit of an outline, and obviously when I've finished I'll peel it off. So I'm just gonna glue it down, I guess. Lash glue? I don't really know. I think lash glue probably will. I mean, I'd hope it would hold it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm literally just gonna stick it down. Okay, something like that. Yes. Okay, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of Beauty Bay eye base to like the rest of it and like a round kind of thing. I'm going to go into the palette. I'm going to take this yellow shade here, which is, I don't really know how to say it, so I'm not really going to. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush like this, and we're just going to start to apply it, and just taking this like up above, kind of like this, you know, but being the tippity top of it. And like a little bit there as well. I hope this turns out good, you know, guys, like, honestly. Like, it, oh gosh, it better had do. Then, I need to dip into an orange, I think. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of this orange shade called Blaze from the Youtopia palette. I know I shouldn't be going in with this, however, here we are, going in with a little bit of it. So yeah, I'm just going to take it on like a smallish brush. I'm trying not to use too much. I just need something to blend into the pink kind of thing. So yeah. Look at that orange though. I don't know if this palette is still available. However, I kind of hope it is, because it is stunning. And I'll just go back into the yellow. Try and like blend that into the orange. Then going back into the Technidaze palette, I'm going to take the shade Blazed Dazed, which is this hot pink shade. Going into another one of their brushes. My gosh, just look at it. It is stunning. Again, I'll like come back to kind of blend in. Just trying to get these shades down first. Just trying to blend that out to the edge. Kind of thing. I'm going to do the same with the orange and the yellow, like taking it right to like pretty much where my hairline is. I'm also just going to blend the orange into the pink. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. It looks stunning. Now going into purple, I was going to take this one, however I feel like it's not going to be... I might need to go in... I want to take this, but I don't know whether it's going to be like deep enough, but I'm going to take it, and then if not, I'll jump into the Youtopia palette and take a purple from there. I'm going to go into 1991, this purple. I'll just see what it's like. Because if I need something a bit extra, you know what, it might actually not be too bad. I don't hate it, you know, I actually quite like it. Then I need to go into a blue, so again I'm going to go back into the Utopia palette and just hit the shade Paradise. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Just like, again, I don't want too much, because we're going to go into the blue, green, yellow, and obviously the yellow needs to end at the bottom. So yeah. Then going into a green, I think I'm going to take this one, just because like the other one's a bit deep. I don't want it to be that deep. Do you know what I mean? So that's the shade Acid. Making it like a little bit underneath the eye. Obviously I did apply some primer there, so yeah. And the last shade I'm going to take is the yellow again. We're going to go back into the yellow. I'm actually obsessed, guys. I'm actually obsessed. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just go jump off camera. I'm just going to build these shades up one more time, just so then they look a bit more blended. And then we'll come back and we'll do the lid shade, and then we'll do the reveal of taking it off. Because yeah, I feel like I hope that it comes off okay. I might need to like clean it up a little bit from where the glue's been, but hopefully not, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead, just build it up. We'll come back, we'll do a lid shade, that kind of thing, and then we'll reveal what it looks like. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've literally just done this eye kind of off camera. I kind of like it, it's kind of cute. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do then, I'm gonna, for the lid shade, I'm going to take a few different ones. I'm going to take a mixture of the Sample Beauty A Year Pigment. I've also got Shadow Moon Cosmetics X Makeupcheryl, Butterfly Cake Pigment, and I'm also going to take a little bit of the Rose Quartz palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to take the shade Moon Magic. I'm literally just going to mix these together. And yes, I'm just going to go in with the Moon Magic shade first from Huda Beauty, and I'm literally just going to pop this on like so. As you can see, my hands are literally covered in glitter, pigment, yeah, just a bit of everything. It's all going on right now, and I haven't even taken off the thing yet, and I'm nervous. So yeah, I'm then gonna take just a mixture of, like I said, the pigment, the two pigments, pretty much. I'm just gonna take them both on like a fluffy brush, basically. I'll do the first one. Oh gosh. I'm just going to take it all over. So I'm going in with the not Sample Beauty, the Shadow Moon Cosmetics one first. Again, literally just popping it all over. Yes. And then going in with the A Year Pigment on top. I just love it. I just love it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the A Year Pigment by itself, and I'm literally just going to like tap it over the shadow that we've put down, if you can kind of see what I'm doing. So yeah, then I'm going to go into Moon Magic from the Beauty palette, basically do the same thing again. Just so it gives it a little bit of something. Then for the glitter, I've got one again from Shadow Moon Cosmetics, and this is another Makeupcheryl collab, and this is the one in Flutter. So this has got like different bits in it. It's got like butterflies and stuff. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to nip off camera and just pop some there. I'm going to just place them strategically, kind of, a little bit. We're going to do that, and then I'll be back. I don't know whether to remove this on camera or off camera. I'm probably going to do it off camera, but I'll come back and share with you guys kind of what it looks like before I apply a base, lashes, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I peeled them off. Look, it looks insane. I cannot. Right, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh gosh, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna do my base, everything else off camera, my lashes, everything, and then we'll be back with the finished look. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do everything else and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Please let me know. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I just applied a little bit of the pigment on the lower lash line, and then of course did my base and everything. So everything else that I'm wearing on my face will of course link in the description box down below as always. I hope I've not got lipstick on my teeth. No, I'm good. So yeah, I'm actually obsessed. I really like it. I'm living. If there's any other looks you want me to do, please just let me know. If you want me to do another look using the Technidaze collection from Beauty Bay, just let me know, because of course I can do it for you guys. But I really fancied doing something rainbow today, and I'm here for it. I'm actually here for it. So yes, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out. And yeah, like I said, everything else that I'm wearing on my face will of course link in the description box down below as always. And I guess see you guys in my next video. Bye!